Like previously I worked for government and stuff like that and didn't really understand what a work culture was. And I was very scared coming from a government side where everything was very strict and this is what you have to do, this is what you can't do and everything like that. And coming into a more loosely structured working environment made me very nervous. But then coming into here and creating the relationships that I created with these rock solid people that we have and that we've hired has made it a lot easier. Coming from somewhere where I knew exactly, what I can and can't do, and coming into some place where it's a little more loose, but having those people that are there to support you, giving you the information, giving you the tools, giving you everything to be successful is really new to me, especially because most people, don't have that feeling. And coming into somewhere where you want to work is a really big difference from going, oh my God, I have to go to work. I've worked in other places before. I've never had, in the 4 months that I've been here, I think I've created stronger relationships than I ever had, even in the years that I worked for the government, the years that I worked for the military. Having a team that you can actually form an alliance with, a friendship with, it's unbeatable. You can't beat it. You actually enjoy coming in to do your work versus wanting to leave as soon as possible.